After spending some time troubleshooting the short circuit on my Johnny 5 robot, I finally figured it out. That's coming on right now. Okay folks, still working on the electronics for the Johnny 5 robot, and I have to say, they don't call him short circuit for nothing. For the past week now I've been trying to find out where the short was on this hearsay lip-like configuration that I got, and I think I finally found it. Because I got 24 lip lights, I had to divide them up into different segments and actually install 2 lip bars like the one you see here. Okay, so you got one here and one here. So let me show you how this is working.
Kick ass, donkey, mule, burro. Hey, laser lips, your mama was a snowblower.
So as you can see, I finally got it working now. The only thing I have left to do is to wire up the front lip lights to these modules here, because I have the first one here, which was this big one. For some reason I could not get this thing to work, so I'm replacing it with 2 smaller ones, and that should solve my problems, and I should be able to start putting this thing back together so we can then show the finished product and see how it works. That about wraps it up for me this time. We'll see you next time.